Yes, but we go to back to the hospital. Yeah, we are at the hospital. And the plus has taken over. We have connected them with the family. Now there is a brief meeting going to take place with the family member. We have one staff from Office of Law who is guiding us and is connecting us with the family member.